Okay, today we're going to talk about something called cloud computing. Many times we wonder um, what cloud computing is all about, and most time we actually simplify it to just storage. But cloud computing is much more beyond storage. Imagine you have a backpack, and in this backpack have all of the tools that you need. It happens that this backpack gets heavier and heavier every time you keep on adding new tools. Then all of a sudden you have a magical cloud over you, and this cloud has the ability for you to put in all of these tools on the cloud. Then this cloud actually follows you wherever you go. On this cloud, whenever you need to get any tools you want, you can easily pick it up, work with it, and then return it again back to the cloud. This is the same concept at which cloud computing works with. Cloud computing is more or less like a giant supercomputer that exists over the internet, whereby with just a simple internet connection, you can have access to files. This is how people can easily store in their pictures, their videos, music files, documents, and so on that you can name. So every of these things can be stored on the cloud, and whenever and wherever is needed, such one can have access to their information and at the same time share with others. What are the examples of cloud computing? Cloud computing underpins a vast number of services. That includes customer services like Gmail or the cloud backup of the photos on your smartphone, through to the services that allows large enterprise to store and to host all their data and run all of the applications in the cloud. Let's take, for example, Netflix. Netflix relies on cloud computing services to run its video streaming services and its other business systems too. What are the core elements of cloud computing? The cloud computing can be broken down into different constituent elements. So, one, we have something called the infrastructure as a service, which is referred to as the fundamental building block of computing that can be rented. This is very attractive to companies that want to build applications from the very ground up and wants to control nearly all of the elements themselves. Two, we have the platform as a service. This layer also includes the tool and the software that developers need to build applications. Then lastly, we have um, software as a service, which is the delivery of applications as a service. Probably the version of cloud computing that most people are used to on a day-to-day basis. What are the benefits of cloud computing? One, cost saving. Two, rapid elasticity. Three, global scale. Just imagine with the cloud, you can expand your business to new geographic locations and deploy application globally within minutes. Four, reliability. Number five, speed.